Your nutrition is the core of your health. Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and our worthy guest. I, Guneet Bedi of BSc CND Semester 6, welcome you all on the behalf of my whole class and department. I would like to thank you all for appreciating our previous four sessions. We are grateful for such an appreciating response. Now, I request respected ma'am to please say a few motivating words.
On.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, we have had a lot of motivation and inspiration from Dr. Mahajan, from our principal, and there are many other people who have joined us. There was Dr. Yogita Sarwal, there were Amrutpreet, then there were some other people who have joined us, and I guess you have all listened to what Dr. Mahajan said a few minutes ago. Uh, I am really happy my students are performing really well. Guneet, I think that is sufficient. We should carry on with the PowerPoint, and
Yes,
then we
ma'am.
will discuss in the end.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving on, let's welcome our today's presenter, Sukhpreet Kaur from BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, who is going to give a lecture on a very interesting topic, that is omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. I request everyone to please switch off your videos and mics. Over to you, Sukhpreet.
Thank you, Guneet. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and safe in this pandemic. I am Supreet Kaur from BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid along with their health effects. Omega-3 and
Better
omega-6
please
fatty
pin
acids.
her. Better please pin her. She is visible only in a tile. We need to put her on a presentation mode.
Ma'am, she's already pinned up.
Okay. ठीक है बेटे चलो ठीक है.
Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids both are polyunsaturated fatty acids. मतलब दोनों में जो डबल बॉन्ड होता है एंड सिर्फ ओमेगा 3 एंड ओमेगा 6 इनका फर्क ये है कि जो ओमेगा 3 है उसके थर्ड कार्बन के ऊपर डबल बॉन्ड होता है एंड जो ओमेगा 6 है उसके 6 कार्बन के ऊपर डबल बॉन्ड होता है. And both these fatty acids, they are not produced by the body, but they are consumed through the diet. For more details, let's jump to the presentation.
Gurleen Arora, please.
Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and their health effects. Omega-3 fatty acids.
We cannot see the
Omega-3.
presentation. We cannot see the presentation.
Ma'am, it's not visible.
No, bete, the presentation is not visible. Please try to set up again. Is it visible to everybody else?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yes. So I would suggest you start again.
Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and their health effects. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, they are also called omega-3 oils. They are polyunsaturated fatty acids. As I have said earlier, they cannot be produced by our body and should be supplied through the diet. These are the essential fatty acids needed for our body to function normally. Types of omega-3 fatty acids. There are three types: alpha linolenic acid, icosapentaenoic pantenoic acid and docosahexaenoic hexanoic acid. जो अल्फा लिनोलेनिक एसिड है वो हमारी बॉडी ऐसे यूज नहीं कर सकती, पहले उसका ब्रेकडाउन होता है इकोसा पेंटेनोइक एसिड में एंड डोकोसा हेक्सेनोइक एसिड में, एंड देन हमारी बॉडी उसको यूज कर सकती है. Sources of omega-3 fatty acids: nuts and seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, fish and fish oil like rohu, bangda. Bangda is also known as Indian mackerel. Oils: canola oil, soya bean oil, veggies. Example, brassica veggies. Brassica veggies is a group which is also known as cabbage family. It contains broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, turnip, etc. And eggs. Health benefits. It reduces cardiovascular risk factors. It reduces morning stiffness and rheumatoid arthritis. जो rheumatoid arthritis होता है इसमें swollen हो जाते हैं joints of hands and feet, and जो morning stiffness है ये इसी की ही initial condition है. It lowers the risk of cancer and inflammation. Then omega-3 reduces the risk of obesity. It maintains fluidity of cell membranes. Deficiency. It increases in cardiovascular diseases, weight gain and obesity, fatigue and tiredness, depression and mood swings, joint pains and cramps, high cholesterol, onset of type 2 diabetes. Omega-6 fatty acids. Like omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, they are also polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are also the type of essential fatty acids which belong to the same family as omega-3. The main omega-6 acid which is required by the body, it is linoleic acid. We have four types of omega-6 fatty acids: linoleic acid, arachidonic acid, gamma-linoleic acid, and conjugates linoleic acid. Sources of omega-6. Vegetable oils like sunflower oil, soya bean oil, meats like chicken, nuts like almonds, cashews, cereals like oats, whole wheat flour. Health benefits. It reduces the risk of heart disease, brain functions normally, normal growth and development. It helps to decrease mood disorders, osteoporosis, and obesity. It is helpful for supporting energy and premenstrual syndrome. It stimulates hair and skin growth. Deficiency of omega-6, eczema or dry irritated skin, water loss, hair loss, drying eyes, arthritis, high cholesterol, kidney damage. Omega-3 versus omega-6. Omega-3 is anti-inflammatory. इसका मतलब है ये reduce करता है inflammation, and omega-6 it is pro-inflammatory. It makes the disease worse. Polyunsaturated fatty acids हैं दोनों. Omega-3 role in the body: control blood clotting, build cell membranes in the brain, normal growth and development. Omega-6 role in the body: brain function, normal growth and development. Research indicates that omega-3 roles in blood pressure, rheumatoid arthritis and depression. Functional foods in relation to omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Any food or food ingredient that may provide a health benefit beyond the traditional nutrients it contains, that is known as functional food. Examples of its relation to fatty acids, we have vegetables like broccoli, a good source of vitamin A and C, potassium, iron, fiber, calcium, powerful source of alpha linolenic acid, that is ALA, which is also known as omega-3 fatty acid. Nuts, walnuts, that is also a good source of omega-6 as well as omega-3, support a healthy digestive system. Seeds, sunflower seeds, rich source of vitamin E, magnesium, and protein. It is a good source of omega-6, helps in strengthening bones and muscles. Chia seeds, high content of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, about 75% of the fat in chia seeds. It consists of omega-3, which is alpha-linolenic acid, while 3% is omega-6. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. Pumpkin seeds, source of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Nutrients in pumpkin seeds, they may help protect against type 2 diabetes. Beans, kidney beans. They are low in calories, high in protein, loaded with carbohydrates. They are the good sources of fibers and omega-3 fatty acids. It's a healthy option for diabetic patients. Recipe of energy chia seed drink. Ingredients, we have chia seeds, honey, and lemon. Combine all these in the method and mix well and keep them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Just before serving, stir and drink. This recipe, it helps for weight loss. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Supreet. It was very knowledgeable. I see a lot of questions in the chat box. Let's take them up. So the first question is from Mandeep Kaur. What omega-6 food cause inflammation?
ओमेगा 6 अगर एक्सेस में लेते हैं तो वो ओमेगा 6 फैटी एसिड्स बनते हैं और जो ओमेगा 6 फैटी एसिड्स हैं वो इन्फ्लेमेशन कॉज करते हैं. कुछ फूड्स जिनमें ऐसे अगर हम उनको एक्सेस में लें और ओमेगा 6 फैटी एसिड्स बनते हैं वो फूड्स हैं जैसे ऑयल्स, sunflower oil, safflower oil, soybean oil, then we have peanuts, we have mayonnaise and some vegetables.
Okay. The next question is from Unique Food. Is omega-6 bad for arthritis?
It is अगर ओमेगा 3 को हम कम लेते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू ओमेगा 6, अगर दोनों का रेशियो बैलेंस में नहीं आता, अगर दोनों बेटर बैलेंस नहीं है तो वो आर्थराइटिस कॉज कर सकते हैं या कोई भी अदर क्रोनिक डिजीज भी कॉज कर सकते हैं, जैसे डायबिटीज है या ब्लड शुगर लेवल को भी हाई कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Next question is from Kiran Randhawa. Omega-3 to omega-6. What's the best ratio?
It is 1:4. 1:4 is the best ratio.
Sanchita Sharma wants to ask you a question. Does olive oil contains omega-6?
Olive oil, it contains omega 6, but its percentage is just 11%.
Okay. Next question is from Gurleen Arora. Are eggs high in omega-6?
Yes, eggs are good source, excellent source of omega-3 as well as omega-6.
Riya Sharma wants to ask, which is healthier, sunflower or pumpkin seeds?
Pumpkin seeds, they have fewer calories as compared to sunflower seeds. Pumpkin seeds, they are having rich. They are the rich source of potassium. They are the rich source of magnesium. So they are healthier than sunflower seeds. Go ahead.
Next question is from Drishti Mehra. Can pumpkin seeds cause weight gain?
Pumpkin seeds, they contain more calories. So in excess, if their consumption, then they may cause weight gain.
Okay, Ramandeep Kaur wants to ask a question. How much chia seeds to be eaten in a day?
In a day, chia seeds should be 20 grams twice a day.
Next question is from Rishali. Does olive oil contains omega 6?
Olive oil contains omega-6. It is 14%.
गुनीत प्लीज आप देख लीजिए कि डबल ना हुआ है क्वेश्चन, सो आप इकट्ठे यू कैन आस्क देम.
Next question is from Ravneet. Why do we need to soak chia seeds in water and for how long?
Chia seeds, they have absorptive property very good, 12 times better than water. So they absorb water and they become a swollen type, so gelatinous. And then they help to they prevent dehydration also. And chia seeds, they can be eaten raw also. And chia seeds को हम रखते हैं 2 आवर्स के लिए मिनिमम, और मैक्सिमम हम उनको कितने भी टाइम के लिए 2 आवर्स से ज्यादा भी रख सकते हैं ओवरनाइट.
Okay. Khushali Sharma wants to ask, does omega 3 makes us fat?
ओमेगा 3 अगर एक्सेसिव कंजम्पशन हो जाए उसकी तो वो फैट बनाता है.
Okay. Next question from Kirat and Kiran. Which is better, canola or olive oil?
Olive oil is better. Canola oil is good for frying, but olive oil is better because it has antioxidant property, and it also has other benefits like it helps for heart, for lungs, for kidneys.
Sudha Gulati wants to ask, is coconut oil omega 3 or omega 6?
Coconut oil is neither, it doesn't contain omega 6 or omega 3 because it is rich polysaturated fatty acids.
Next question is from Itika Sharma. Is omega 3 good for hairs?
Yes, it is because it contains the essential nutrients which does not cause hair loss, and they make hair tighten.
Another question from Unique Food. Are pumpkin seeds good for health?
Yes, they are good for health.
Next question from Baljinder Kaur. Time to take omega 3, morning or night?
We can take both the time, morning or evening also, but हम इसको half करके भी ले सकते हैं in the morning or in the evening.
So there are a lot of questions.
Do we have time? Do we have time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's fine.
The next question is from Priya Arora. Omega health benefits.
Omega health benefits.
It could be omega 3 health benefits. I think there's a typographical error. So आपने explain तो कर ही दिए हैं omega 3 के भी health benefits, omega 6 के भी health. Let's go to the next question.
The next question is from Navpreet Kaur. How much omega 3 and omega 6 per day will be taken?
Omega-3, 1.6 grams for males and 1.1 gram for females. And जो omega-6 है वो 17 grams males के लिए and 12 grams females के लिए per day.
Okay. Another question from Kirat and Kiran. Is fish oil bad for kidneys?
Is
Is fish oil
bad for kidneys?
अगर excessive consumption होगी तो may cause kidney damage.
Okay. Next question is from Gagan Dillon. Which is the healthiest oil?
Healthiest is olive oil because it is having so many properties. It is having antioxidant property and it is beneficial for our kidneys, for our liver.
which type? EVO or the regular? Extra virgin, yeah, regular. This is a question from my side.
Extra virgin oil is the better one.
But we cannot cook in the extra virgin olive oil. It is usually used for salad dressings or salad on to pour directly on the salad because इसका smoke point बहुत low होता है. Very good. Carry on.
I also want to ask a question. Does spinach have omega-6?
Yes, spinach has omega-6 and omega-3 because brassica vegetables में included है spinach.
इतनी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में नहीं होती है, नहीं तो वो हम स्पिनच ऑयल निकाल लेते या स्पिनच का तेल निकाल लेते. सो दे आर गुड फेयर सोर्सेज ऑफ omega-3 and omega-6. There I can see a question over here. I can see a request actually. Good morning, Minna ma'am. Great efforts by you and your students. Can we please have a session on the importance of breakfast? Because normally people tend to miss it. Can we have a session? We'll have to ask the girls. Can we have a session on importance of breakfast? Can Guneet, can you arrange a session on breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. We will do it.
For breakfast. Let's see if we can make it. I'm glad that people are giving us suggestions also. Thank you. And do we have any other questions?
Yes, ma'am. It's from Muskan Sharma.
Sure.
What is the difference between chia seeds and basil seeds? Which one is the best for weight loss?
Chia seeds, they are best. But I don't know. Chia seeds.
Well, you can look it up and give the answer to her later on. Take her WhatsApp number, tell her to put a WhatsApp number, and you can look it up and you can give the answer to her. Sure? Is it okay? Should we carry on? Guneet?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Sukhpreet. It was very knowledgeable. Today also, we are going to share the link for our recorded sessions in the chat box. Anyone can join it. Thank you everyone for being a supportive audience. Once again, we are thankful to our Madam Principal, Madam Sunila Sharma, Madam Meena Bagga, Amarpreet ma'am, and all the other teachers who joined us. Thank you everyone.
We have Madam Guljeet with us. I would like her to say a few words. Madam Guljeet, please.
Yeah, Minna, that was Sukhpreet. That was very excellent, very confident. You read the subject. That is why you guys are delivering it very nicely. She's explained it very nicely, but 2 and 3 things I would like to add on.
Sure, ma'am.
Very little difference between tulsi beej and chia seeds. Chia seeds में थोड़ी सी प्रोटीन हल्की सी ज्यादा है, फाइबर ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. So end of the day, if you're getting tulsi beej, वो भी सब्जा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, और chia seeds थोड़े से बेटर हैं, ऑलमोस्ट इक्वलेंट है. प्रोटीन कंटेंट ज्यादा है chia में थोड़ी सी, अदरवाइज ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. वन थिंग, ये जो हम सब कहते हैं omega-3, omega-6 खानी चाहिए, यस, बट सबसे पहली बात है टोटल फैट होती है हर एक फैट में. सो वी नीड नॉट गो ओवरबोर्ड. They are good for heart, they are bad for heart, they are bad for health, they are good for health, yes. But end of the day, they are total fats. So that does not mean कि कुछ लोग सुबह सुबह उठ के 1 चम्मच ऑलिव ऑयल पी लें, या कुछ लोग सुबह सुबह 2 चम्मच कोकोनट ऑयल पी लें. ऑफ कोर्स अंटिल मेडिकली रिकमेंडेड हमें ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमें टोटल फैट को भी दिमाग में रखना है. सेकेंड थिंग, जब भी हम फिश ऑयल खाते हैं या कोई ओमेगा 3 ओमेगा 6 के सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं, वी हैव टू कंसिडर दैट और क्या ड्रग्स हम साथ में ले रहे हैं, बिकॉज फूड्स एंड ड्रग्स बहुत जल्दी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. जब हम फिश ऑयल लेते हैं, इट इज अपने में ही ब्लड थिनर. सो व्हेनेवर वी आर टेकिंग फिश ऑयल्स, वी हैव टू टेक इन माइंड कि हम कहीं एंटीकोगुलेंट, इकोस्प्रिन, वॉरफरिन तो नहीं ले रहे, कोई हर्बल दवाइयां तो नहीं ले रहे, विटामिन ई तो नहीं खा रहे, ताकि उनकी इंटरेक्शन ना हो. सो वी शुड कीप इन माइंड कि इन सब चीजों का हम गैप रखें. Otherwise, Sukhpreet, you've done it very well. You've explained it very confidently, very nicely. So these days, that
Thank
is
you,
why
ma'am.
we are, yeah, very nice, Sukhpreet. मैं ना hats off to you. आपके बच्चे पूरा subject knowledge रखते हैं. तभी वो आंसर दे पा रही थी सारी चीजों का. She gave the right answers. So what I would say is कि keep in mind, fats are necessary for us. Good fats are necessary. थोड़े से saturated fats भी चाहिए होते हैं, ठीक है ना, हमारी गट के लिए. जैसे कि देसी घी वगैरह नई स्टडीज आई हैं, वो भी हमारे लिए जरूरी है. ओमेगा 3 एंड 6 की रेशो भी जरूरी है. सो मिंगल्ड अप, जो हमारे से पूछे वो इतना कंफ्यूज ना हो. हम मोटा मोटा बता सकते हैं, हम इतना चम्मच ये ऑयल ले लो, इतना चम्मच ये ले लो, ताकि आपके अंदर ओमेगा 3 6 इतनी नट्स ले लो, एंड दवाइयों के साथ कितनी स्पेसिंग रखो. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. एनीथिंग मिन्ना?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today. We
Thank
love to have you tomorrow again.
I want to clap you guys. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Really
you, ma'am.
proud of you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Minna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the great knowledge. Your words inspire us. Once
you,
again,
Guneet.
we are thankful to Madam Principal, Madam Sunila Sharma, Madam Minna Bagga, and Ma'am Rupi for giving us this opportunity. Hoping to see you all in the tomorrow's lecture about iron deficiency. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
everybody. Thank you.